Hello, friend. As a Christian, we are called to make disciples. But what is a disciple? I've found talking to people, when you ask them what that is, a lot of times there's not a lot of clarity. So let's dive into what that is today. We can find this in Matthew 4:19. Jesus is calling the first people. And what he says is, "Follow me, and I will make you fishers of men." These are disciples. He's calling them out from what they're doing to be his disciples. And he calls us to be the same things. So let's dig in to see what that is. The first step, Jesus says, follow me. A disciple follows Jesus. You're not following your pastor, your uncle, your friend, husband, wife. You're following Jesus. Doesn't mean we don't listen to input from those people. It doesn't mean we don't submit to those people. But a disciple, in the end, is a follower of Jesus. The next thing Jesus says is, he says, follow me, and then I will make you. I will make you. Man, as a Christian, this is a challenge because Jesus is the one that changes us. Not our self-effort, not things that we do, and not someone else, but Jesus. A disciple is being changed by Jesus. Our role in that is to submit to him, but it is he who changes us, not ourselves. The last one, so follow me, I will make you fishers of men. A disciple is on mission with Jesus. On mission with Jesus. So they're following Jesus, they're changed by Jesus, and they're on mission with Jesus. Jesus' mission is very simple, to love God and to love others. That's it. To make disciples, to do this. And so while you are pouring into others to help make them disciples, remember, they're not supposed to follow you. They're not being changed by you. And they're not on your mission, though it may be great. All of these tie back into Jesus. And we do these things by reading his word. That's where we can follow Jesus and be changed by him and on mission with him. By prayer. You know, there are different activities that we participate on, but in the end, it all ends with Jesus. So I hope this helps you to know what a disciple is so that you can be a disciple of Jesus and so that you can help be on mission with Jesus. Have a great day, and God bless you in your journey.